Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S12 review. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end.
Here you will see. I am in the official website of Amazon.uk and these are the reviews provided by the peoples. 4.3 star is provided out of 5 by the peoples. And these are the reviews from other countries. Here you will see. One people says that after 6 months of use, mopping stop. I tried to claim a warranty via Amazon, but then I am redirected to Xiaomi's Chinese website. There is no way to report a warranty. And here you will see this is the another review. I never thought a robot vacuum would actually be of this much help, but damn. You just put it to work and pop off to the gym, and every floor is as clean as day you move in when you work out in finish 1010. And this is the another review. I am absolutely delighted with the Xiaomi S12 vacuum robot. It does an excellent job and ensure that my floors are always clean. The suction and mopping function is real highlighted. I can adjust the mopping surface as needed, and the results are impressive. The navigation is clever and efficient, and I have found that it is easily reach even difficult corners. This is primarily thanks to the LIDR sensor, which make it possible to create a map of the home. Using an app, the robot can therefore also travel specifically to a location of use and clean it individually. Another advantage is the long battery life. It easily clear my entire 50 square meter apartment without having to charge it in between. The cleaning performance is great, and I hardly have any dust or dirt left in the apartment. The robot also gets along well with carpets, especially with my high pile carpet. Even after 4 months, I have not had to replace the brush, even though my robot vacuum my apartment every day. So these are the people's reviews, and these are the mixed reviews of the product on the official website of Amazon. Now let's look at the pros and cons of the product. First, see the pros. Efficient cleaning on various spaces. Advanced mapping technology create efficient cleaning routes. Multiple cleaning modes. Offer flexibility for different tasks. Fourth, app control and voice assistance compatibility convenient for remote operation. Long battery life. Provide extended cleaning sessions. Affordable price. Value for money compared to premium models. Now let's look at the cons. No self-emptying feature. Require manual emptying of dustbin. Limited mop function. Not as effective as standalone mops. Can be noisy on higher suction modes. Noisy when navigating obstacles. May be disruptive in quiet spaces. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.